Welcome students. Today in this session we are going to learn next lesson, sixth one, index number. Index numbers were originally developed to measure the changes in the price level. Today index numbers are very commonly and widely used as statistical devices to note any kind of changes in the economy, such as changes in industrial producers, industrial production, agriculture production, income from tertiary sector, rate of unemployment, changes in exports and imports, etc. During this specific period of time, the number of newspaper and other public media demands an index number in drawing their conclusions in many social and economics fields. In fact, index numbers are described as economic barometer. The word economic barometer used by economists, businessmen, and the policymakers, etc., to measure the trends and changes in the economy. What is the definition of index number? Index, according to Spiegel, the index number is a statistical measure designed to show changes in a variable or a group of related variables with reference to type, geographical location, and other characteristics. So, index number is a relative related to the geographical location, then time, characteristic, other also characteristic include in this index number. So, it is a measure, statistical measure, which calculate the changes in a variable or a group of variables. According to Croxton and Cowden, index numbers are devices for measuring differences in the magnitude of a group of related variables. Means it is the difference between the changes between two group of related variables or a changes in a variables. The definitions are same, only the statement are different. What are the features of index numbers? Index number is a statistical device used for measuring relative changes in one or more related variables. For example, price, quantity, over a period of time or two different time trends. Suppose the between 2005 to 2008 or two different localities, for example Delhi and Mumbai. So it is a statistical device which measures the changes of one variable or a two variable, and on the basis of or a over a period of time or a period of times or a different locations, etc. Then the second one feature is the index number is a specialized average. Specialized average, it is a very important word. Index numbers are specialized averages which are capable of being expressed in percentage, but percentage sign is not used, only it explain in indicate in percentage. Third one, it is the year for which index number is being prepared in the current year. It prepared in the current year, and the base year's index is assumed 100. The base year, suppose for example, the standard of living of the consumers, the standard of living of the laborers which employed in factory. So where what are the goods which are used by this labor? Suppose in 2008 is the base year, and 2012 or 2011 is the current year. So the base year is the 2008. So this 2008 years index is assumed 100, and accordingly the value of the current year is calculated. Then index numbers, the, the index numbers are also preferred barometer of economic activity. Barometer which is used in geography, which atmospheric pressure, which is used for the atmospheric pressure. Like this, index number is also economic barometer which measured the fluctuation in economic activity, since it is used to measure the trends and changes in the economy. So index numbers are called economic barometer because it measured the changes between two variable or more variables in the economy which are fluctuate always, because economy is a dynamic. So always all the variables are fluctuate, and all these economic activity are done in economy, so to measure the trends and changes. Then the year which the changes are measured is called the base year. What is called base year? The year from which the changes are measured. The years which index number is being prepared is the current year. What is the difference between the current year and the base year? Base year is the which from the changes are measured, and the year index number is being prepared is the current year. So this is the basic difference between current year and base year. Then, what are the types of index numbers? There are the four types. First one, price index. Second one, quantity index. Third one, value index number. Fourth one, special purpose index number. First one, what is price index number? This index number measure the general changes in the prices of goods. It compares the level of prices between two different time period. It is a relative. So, it is a statistical device which measures the changes or a comparison between the level of prices between two different time periods. It is called price index. Next one, quantity index number. Quantity means how many quantity may purchased by consumer. So this is quantity. So it is also called the volume index number. It measured changes in the level of quantity or a output or a physical volume of production in the economy. For example, changes in the agriculture production, industrial production over a period of time. Then value index number. The value index number measured the index number which measured the value of commodity is the product of its price and quantity, P multiplied by Q. Value index number measure the changes in the value of a variable in the term of rupee. It is more informative index as it combine both changes in the price as well as quantity, because of both index number included in this value index number. So it is a very important as compared with this two index number. The next one, specialized special purpose index number. They are constructed with some specific purpose. For example, import and export index number, then labor productivity index number, share price index number. In price index number, there are the three types. Price index can be further classified wholesale price index, then retail price index, then cost of living index. These are the three classification in this price index. So this is the index number. On the basis of this topic, board may ask the question, what are the features of index number? Or a, the definition of index number for 2 marks. Or a, what are the types of index number? Thank you.